Hey Raiders, today is Friday, January 24th, 2025, and I'm Piper.
And I'm Sadia. Here's what we have for you today.
Girls, you should join our new flag football team. Sign-ups are happening in the athletic office over by the gym right now. So if you want to play in our first season for our Raiders flag football program, go sign up now.
Attention girls who want to play soccer for our Raiders. Conditioning seasons are now underway. They're being held on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays in the Wellness Center. Mondays are 5 to 6, Tuesdays are 6 to 7, Thursdays 6 to 7 is workouts, and then track work is from 7 to 8. If you have questions, talk to Haley and Hannah Brown.
Warren G. Harding girls softball practices have started. They're being held on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays from 7 to 9 p.m. Enter through the main door of the school building, wear athletic apparel and tennis shoes, and bring a glove. If you want to play on our diamond for the Lady Raiders, be there.
Just a reminder that if you need to get an announcement on WSCN, just drop it off in room 2113 or email Mr. Witt at fred.whitaker@warrencityschools.org. Once again, email Mr. Witt if you have something you need on the show.
This concludes your update for today and this short week. Stay safe this weekend, Warren G.
Bye, Raiders.
Hey Raiders, I'm McKaylin.
And I'm Darshawn.
And we're here with your birthdays. Happy birthday to Jalen Linhart, Roman Halowski, Zanasia Mason, Gianna Bowell, and Madison Klein.
Happy birthday tomorrow to Elizabeth Tittle, Savion Parker, Damian Skinner, Donovan May, J.C. Wilson, Brooke Hall, and Kanira Timpton.
Then happy birthday on Sunday to Elijah Wade and Alexandra Cortez. Happy birthday, Raiders.
Good morning, Skibbities.
I'm Sebastian.
And I'm Andrew.
And we are here for
Sports.
the Ohio State take home the national championship for the first time in 10 years, a whole decade.
Lamar Jackson is not the MVP.
He's still the MVP.
No.
And let's all hope for a Bills-Commanders Super Bowl.
Now, for sports for today, we have locally our bowling team, once again, plays under the lights at Austin Town.
Our basketball team plays away at Howland for the second time and final time at 7 p.m. varsity, 5:30 p.m. junior varsity. Our score prediction is 65-43.
Over the weekend, our girls basketball team plays Howland at home at 1 p.m. JV and 3 p.m. varsity.
Now for national sports, our Cavs playing in Philadelphia against the 76ers at 7 p.m.
Saturday in the NBA includes an NBA final rematch in the Celtics versus the Mavs at 5:30 p.m.
On Sunday in the NBA, we have one game, and that is Portland versus OKC at 6 p.m. But we all will be watching the NFL. Hopefully, you have 2 TVs.
Speaking of the NFL, Mahomes and the Chiefs play the Bills on Sunday in what feels like the 5th time with the Super Bowl in the balance. Our score prediction is 31-17 Bills.
The Commanders play against the Eagles in the NFC divisional matchup on Sunday, where Jaden Daniels could make history, and we think he will. 31-28 Commanders.
In college basketball, Michigan plays Purdue at 8 p.m.
Other ranked NCAA basketball games over the weekend include Ole Miss versus Missouri 6 p.m. Saturday, Kansas versus Houston 6:30 p.m. Saturday, and the most exciting of the 3, Tennessee versus Auburn at 8:30 p.m. And now finally, our international games today and over the weekend include Man City and Pep's Marriage He Sacrificed versus Chelsea and Cole Palmer Saturday at 12:30 p.m.
Napoli plays Juventus and their record high 13 draws this year in the Derby of the Gulf at 12 on Saturday.
This concludes your sports for today and over the weekend. Go outside, sit on your couch and watch some sports. Have a great day, Raiders.
Just a quick addition to our sports desk. First, our bowling teams took on Howland on Wednesday evening. Our boys secured a victory over the Tigers. On the strength of their Baker games, 2,203 to 2,084. Micah Beal tossed a 4-17 set, while Jeremiah Appleby contributed a solid 2-16 game in the matchup. Also, though our girls lost to the Tigers, Abby Jones had a 196 game, while WSCN's Haley Georgia had a 188. Great job on the strong showing against Howland bowlers. Our swimmers also had a strong showing in their quad matchup with Poland, Howland, and Alliance. For our girls, Sophia Vanetti finished second in the 100-meter butterfly and the 200 freestyle, while our team of Olivia Lopez, Lila Shutik, Olivia Walden, and Vanetti took second place in the 400 freestyle. Our boy swimmer finished in first place in the contest. Juan Carroll was second in the 100 fly. Owen Morgenstern finished first in the 500 free. Garrett Wonders finished first in the 100 and 200 free, while Jonathan Wonders finished first in the 200 IM and first in the 100 breaststroke. The team of Carroll, Morgenstern, Kummer, and Garrett Wonders took first in the 400 free relay. We wish our swimmers great luck as they host Hubbard, Howland, and Creighton tonight at the Warren G. Harding Natorium.
WSCN weather.
What's up, Raiders? I'm Courtney.
And I'm G, and we're here with the weather for today and the weekend.
For today, the high is 21 and the low is 9, and it will be cloudy.
For Saturday, the high is 31 and the low is 27. It will be cloudy with a chance of snow in the afternoon.
For Sunday, the high is 31 and the low is 17, and it will be cloudy.
And that's all for your weather, guys. Peace.
Hey WSCN, I'm Jamari,
And I'm Nicoletta.
and we're here with the best thing we saw this week.
Okay, so the best thing I seen this week was that we had no school and no practice.
The best thing I seen this week, that Ohio State won the national championship. OHIO, come on baby, let's go.
And that's all we have for you today. Bye, Raiders.
Hi, Raiders. I'm Jaden.
I'm Z.
And we have a poem or something. Okay, so two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be a traveler. Long I stood
To where it bent in the undergrowth. Robert Frost, The Road Not Taken. And that's our poem for y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Catch y'all next week or something.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Alexis.
I'm Eris.
And we're here with your This Day in History. In 1901, Queen Victoria died.
In 1965, Winston Churchill died.
Okay, that's all.
That's all we have for your This Day in History.
Yep.
Bye, Raiders.
Bye.
Hey Raiders, it's Angela.
And Emma.
We're here for the weekend releases.
First up, we got video games. Sensuality, Echo of Ada, comes out for Xbox, PS5, and PC today. Then we got Star Wars Hunters, the early access, comes out for PC on the 27th.
Now we're going into movies coming out this weekend. First movie coming out this week is Flight Risk, releasing January 24th. And then also we've got Brave the Dark, releasing on January 24th.
That's all for the weekend releases. Have a good day, Raiders.
Good afternoon, Raiders. I'm Giselle.
And I'm Jada.
And we're here with your joke of the day. I'll start. So why can't Mondays lift Saturdays?
Why?
Because it's a weekday. Okay, go.
What do you call a nose with no body? Nobody knows.
Okay, that's all we have for you today. Bye.